Alright, so if you didn't guess, this thing's down again. This is like the third time this year. And of course, it's always around the coldest times too, so I guess let's get this thing torn apart and try not to get blown away. Oh yeah, look at this. We got another light up there too. Oh, it's getting cold out here. My hands are getting cold. Oh, I'm gonna light this one while I'm working on it. Maybe both of these ones will be lit too, because it's pretty cold in here. What's it for the temperature? Like 35. Ratatouille's out there. It's snowing, it was hailing earlier. Crazy. Alright, here I got this one lit. You see that in there? Got some flames. I'm gonna get that yellow one in here and turn that one on to help warm this up, and I'm gonna turn that one back off soon. Whenever. Then I'll probably get back with you. Well, that one will probably still be running because it's pretty cold out here. And I gotta get that yellow one working pretty soon. And I think my dad's friend's stopping out later too. There comes my dad right now. Alright. Take this one. This one. And one more down here. Jack.
Yeah, I know. You said it's not sitting,
There's something clogged in there. I see something in there. Alright, I got the nozzle cleaned. You need a 5/8 socket to get this off of here, the nozzle, and clean out the inside of it, blow through it, whatever. And now it's time to put it back together.
Oh, okay.